I did my lesson plan with a fourth grader who had difficulty with adding mixed fractions. My lesson plan consisted of using different strategies to help the student add mixed fractions. Students showed her learning through using manipulative sketches and using the operation of addition to solve these types of fractions. My activity included using manipulatives such as circle pie pieces to solve different problems by adding mixed fractions with like denominators. In order to understand the prior knowledge that the student had with mixed fractions, I engaged by asking her a simple question of how many pieces of pizza do you think you can eat? The student replied with her answer and compared it to the whole, which was 7 slices per pizza. During the Explore section, I gave the student a scenario of a pizza party, which involved her choosing two people bringing two different amounts of pizza. Using manipulatives such as the whiteboard and the pie circle pieces, she was able to find a solution. Students showed understanding of all strategies by explaining what she had written down on her whiteboard, as well as the use of her manipulatives. This is a student work which represents her different strategies that she used in order to solve the problem of 1 and 1/7 plus 2 and 3/7. She explained that she wanted to add the whole numbers first, 1 and 2, which added up to 3. She then added the numerators 1 and 3, which added up to 4. She put down the denominator of 7 since she saw that both of them had a common denominator. Instead of using her manipulatives, the student used a similar representation in order to help her add up to verify her answer is correct. She first drew the 1 and 1/7, and then she drew the 2 and 3/7. She added up the whole circles, which made up 3, and moved the 1/7 next to the 3/7 and added each individual one to add up to 4/7, giving her the answer of 3 and 4/7. The textbook states how it is important to define all the different meanings of fractions, making sure to understand all parts. In this case, we talked about part to whole definition of a fraction using circular pie pieces. I wanted to make sure the student knew what she was doing by using language and notation of fractions. In this case, she was able to explain every single part of her strategy in order for me to understand what she did. At the bottom of the part of her work, she was able to demonstrate the use of a different method that included turning a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. She multiplied the whole with the denominator and then added the numerator to find the improper fraction. She added both of the fractions to find a solution of 25/7. She was able to make the connection between this answer and the answer up here. She saw the 25 represented the individual pieces that each one of these would have, and the 7 was a section of the whole was cut into. One of the common errors that the student did at the beginning was that she added the common denominator 7 and 7 into 14. She later understood that the 7 was the same with the use of the representation down below. She saw that the 7 was just the pieces, was the part that the whole was cut into and not the total of the pieces, therefore not adding it together. Next step for the student would be doing the same process but with subtracting mixed fractions. Using similar models to reinforce both operations would help her understand mixed fractions better.